Hello and welcome to IndianMoney.com's YouTube channel. My name is Fayaz. If at all you use a Paytm app, then you might have definitely come across this particular text message which is now coming on the screen, which says that need funds for your personal expense? Question mark. Get a personal loan swiftly from Paytm's NBFC partner. Click here to apply. Well, if at all you click on that particular link, you will definitely be making the biggest possible mistake of your life, because that particular loan is indeed one of the most expensive personal loans that you will ever come across in your life. Although they promoted saying that this particular loan is very cheap, it's hassle free, it doesn't have a lot of processing fee, but eventually in this video we'll tell you how this is one of the most expensive kind of loan that you can ever come across in India, and definitely you should avoid taking such loans. So let's understand in detail why am I saying all these things with so much confidence. So without a further ado, let's get started. So if you notice, the first thing that will come on the screen right now is the text message which you might be reading, you might have read also so far in your respective phones, stating that this kind of loans are available from Paytm, and Paytm can actually help you get this loan. And there is a link also over there, the link that is highlighted in blue color. So if you click on that link, let's see what comes next on the screen. So if you click on that particular link, another page opens, another home screen opens. On that, you basically are now like almost inside the Paytm app, and here you might read the sentences stating that instant loan approval in just few minutes, and hassle-free paperless loan application, low interest rates, no hidden charges, real-time amount dispersal will be done directly in your respective bank accounts. And then you will definitely be very tempted about this entire idea of getting a brand new loan from this particular bank, this particular option, and definitely you will be clicking on the get personal loan now option. Now when you click that particular option, let's see what comes on the screen. So the next thing which comes on the screen is basically one particular interface where you will be actually getting an option of either taking a loan of up to minimum amount of rupees 10,000 till maximum of 1,50,000. So here between these two numbers there are a couple of things which are mentioned over there. So if at all you select the number of 1,50,000 rupees, suppose you select 1,50,000 rupees, let's see now what comes on the screen. So now if you notice, there are two options, there are two types of payment options that are available. One is a 12-month payment option and another one is an 18-month payment option, which means 1 year and 1.5 years. Now if you read at that particular thing, so you will notice here that if you select the 12-month option, the amount of EMI would be almost 14,476 rupees, and for the 18 months it is almost 10,301 rupees. You might feel that the second option is better because the EMI amount is less, but the duration is more. You will end up paying more because here the interest rate, as we can read on the screen, the EMI interest rate would be almost 28%, which itself is very high. But do not ignore the blue button which is at the bottom of the screen, which says that the processing fee is also involved. And if you read it properly, you will notice that the processing fee, which is inclusive of 18% GST, is rupees 5,752 rupees, 5,752 rupees 50 paisa, which means that along with the 28% interest, you also have to pay for this particular thing, which means that your monthly EMI will now not be 14,476 rupees, rather it will be little more. So if I go down further in the details of this, let's assume that this 5,752 rupees, if at all you divide it into 12 months, so the amount of number basically would be around 479 rupees, which means what exactly this particular loan is costing you is rupees 14,476, which was the initial amount, plus this 479 rupees, which means you're almost paying 14,957 rupees per month. That means that for this loan of 1,50,000, eventually you will be paying in a span of 1 year almost rupees 1,79,460 rupees. Almost 30,000 you will be paying in the form of interest for this particular loan. So if at all you still are a little bit confused, let's look at this particular EMI calculator which is coming up on the screen right now. So if you notice on this particular calculator, what you can see here is that assuming that the loan amount is 1,50,000 rupees and assuming that the interest rate now has increased a little bit, it's not 28% anymore, including the processing fee, it will now be increased further and it's almost 34.5%. So if you notice here, the monthly payment option EMI is around 14,957 rupees, and the total interest that you're paying for this particular loan is rupees 29,485, and the loan amount although is 1,50,000 rupees, but you're paying almost 1,79,485, which means for a loan of rupees 1,50,000 you are paying additional 29,000 change, which is 29,485, almost 30,000 rupees more. So this is certainly very stupid to take up anything like this as a loan, because this is very, very expensive and very, very high in terms of the interest rate as well. So definitely you should be very, very smart over here. You should understand the fact that this is not a very wise option, because 28% plus another processing fee, which means almost 34.5% is what the interest that you're paying ultimately on this loan. So you should be very smart whenever you're going out for any kind of options like this, because there are certain hidden factors that they, although say that there are no hidden charges, there are no hidden factors, but there are some very, very smartly included factors like this, which basically tend to take a little bit more out of your pocket. So you need to be wise, you need to be smart, you need to have understanding of all these aspects, and it's very, very important that you read more about it, you learn more about it, and that's why I recommended that you should definitely download the Financial Freedom app. There we have made many such courses which are available in 6 different languages, which will talk about personal finance, career building, farming and business, where you will also be able to understand the significance of such kind of loan options which are available, and how you can also be smart and understand and read between the lines. So if you found this video informative, please do share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to share your feedbacks and thoughts as well in the comment section. And if at all you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a like also, and encourage us as well. And if at all there are any kind of other topic suggestions that you have for us, please do let us know about that also in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon as well. Until next time, my name is Fayaz and you're watching IndianMoney.com.